Okay, good evening, students, and welcome to our GK class. Okay, yes. So, yesterday we have started lesson number 3, Science Around Us. So, today also we will continue lesson number 3, Science Around Us. Okay, then we have seen yesterday what is the meaning of science. Yes, science means the study of physical world and natural laws. Yes, then we have seen science is divided into 3 parts, mainly in 3 parts. That is biology, chemistry, and physics. Okay, then we have seen parts of our body. Yes, there are 2 types of body parts. They are internal body parts and external body parts. Yes, then internal means the parts which are inside our body and which we cannot see or touch. See here, for example, brain, lungs, liver, heart, pancreas, okay, kidneys, all these are internal body parts. Okay, then external body parts are nose, eyes, legs, arms, ears, teeth, all are these external body part. External body part means the parts which we can see, touch, feel. Yes, yes. So all these parts are known as external body parts. Yes. Then we have seen 6 internal body parts. Okay. So first one was heart. Yes. Heart. Where is heart located? Inside the chest, in the middle, but slightly towards the left side. Now, what is the heart size? Our heart size is of our fist size. Yes, fist means I showed you yesterday. The fingers closed is called as fist. Okay. Then heart acts like a pump circulating blood in the body. Yes. What is the function of the heart? The heart acts like a pump circulating blood in the body. Okay. Now, second part is lungs. Yes, lungs are located in the chest. Lungs are located in the chest. The heart and the lungs work together. The heart and the lungs work together. Lungs helps in respiration. Lungs helps in respiration. Yes, see the respiration process. Air in and air out. Air in, air out. Air in is inhalation and air out is exhalation. Okay, so together this process is called as respiration. Yes, we continuously breathe in this process. Okay, then okay. So the next we have seen is kidney. We have 2 kidneys. Yes, and it looks like bean shape. It looks like bean shape. Now, what does the kidney do? The kidney removes the waste product. It removes the waste product from our blood and extra water in form of urine. What is the function of the kidney? It removes the waste product from our blood and extra water in form of urine. Okay. Then the fourth part we have seen is brain. Yes, we have seen brain. Where it is located? It is located under the skull. Yes, brain performs many different functions. Brain performs many different functions. It gives information to other parts of our body. It gives information to other parts of our body. Okay. Then the fifth organ we have seen is liver. Fifth is liver. Liver is located in our stomach. Okay, it has two sides. Yes, the right lobe and the left lobe. What is the function of the liver? It helps in digestion process. Okay, then it regulates chemical level in the blood. Yes, so it helps in digestion process. Whatever you eat, that is digested with the help of liver, and it regulates the chemical level in the blood. Okay, yes. The last one we have seen is pancreas. So where it is also located behind the stomach. It is located behind the stomach. Now, pancreas, what is the function of pancreas? Pancreas helps in digestion. Pancreas also helps in digestion process and regulates the blood sugar level. It regulates the blood sugar level. Okay. Now, so students, I hope you have recollected all this. Now we will move on to next part. It is, let's talk about teeth. Yes. So teeth. Students, we all are having teeth. Yes or no? Yes. But now some of your teeth must have fallen down. Yes? Yes. So let us see the the teeth has been fallen down. Yes, you will get another teeth. Now, let us see the journey of the teeth. Now, when babies are born, they are having primary teeth. They are having primary teeth below the gum line. Yes, below the gum line. Then they are, see, this is the gum line, and below that gum line they are already having the teeth. Okay, then as the baby grows, many of them get their first teeth. Many of the babies get first teeth between 6 to 10 months. Between 6 to 10 months. Okay, then mostly they get bottom front teeth. See, bottom means downside teeth, and they get this front teeth. First two front teeth they get first. Then afterwards, slowly they get all the teeth. Okay. Yes. So these teeth are called as milk teeth. These teeth are called as milk teeth. The first teeth which the baby is getting are called as milk teeth. Okay. Yes. Or it is also called as baby teeth. Then, and primary teeth. So the first set of teeth is called as milk teeth, and full set is completed till the age of 3 years. Till the age of 3 years. And then they are 20 in all. Then they are 20 in all. Up to the 3 years, a baby gets the full set of teeth. Okay, total 20 teeth they get up to the age of 3 years. Then after 7 to 12 years, after 7 to 12 years. Okay, now students, you are also in this group, 7 to 12 years. So these primary or milk teeth starts falling down. This primary or milk teeth starts falling down one by one, and then they get a new set of teeth. Then they get a new set of teeth called as permanent teeth. That is called as permanent teeth. After falling of milk teeth, they get the set of permanent teeth. Okay, so now students, you should be careful. You should be careful when you get the permanent teeth. If permanent teeth are fallen down, then again you will not get new teeth. Okay. So students, you should be more careful. You should brush your teeth daily. You should brush your teeth daily and twice a day. Once in the morning when you get up and once you go to bed, before you go to bed. Okay. And you should always rinse your teeth. You should always rinse your teeth after every meal. But whatever you eat, after that you have to rinse your teeth with water. Okay, you should take care of your permanent teeth. Yes, after falling off milk teeth, you are getting permanent teeth. But if permanent teeth falls down, you are not getting any more teeth. Okay, okay. Now, when you grow, when you will grow up and become old, so at that time, again your teeth may start falling. Okay. So you must have seen your grandparents. They must have also lost their teeth. Okay. So when you grow up, again your permanent teeth starts falling down. So students, this is the journey of the teeth from milk teeth to the permanent teeth until the age of at the old age. Okay. Okay. Now let us see the types of teeth. Let us revise the types of teeth. Yes. See the first one, which is this teeth, premolar teeth. Then molar teeth, canines, and incisors. Okay, there are 4 types of teeth in your mouth. So first one is premolar teeth. So premolar teeth, see here, see the positions of the teeth now. See, this blue teeth are molar teeth. Then after the molar teeth, these are the premolar teeth. Then these 2 blue ones are the canine teeth. Then in the front, you are having the incisor teeth. See here, incisor, canine, then premolar and molar. Okay. So, one second. Okay. So, see the position of your teeth. You all also having like this position in your mouth. First, behind molar teeth. Then here it is premolar teeth. Here it is canine. And in the front, you are having incisor teeth. Okay. See, here you can see the upper jaw and the lower jaw. Yes, upper jaw and the lower jaw. Okay, so let us see first the molar teeth. Let us see about the molar teeth. The types of the teeth which helps in grinding food. It helps in grinding food is called as molar teeth. Is called as molar teeth. These are the flat teeth located at the back of your mouth. Okay. Then they can vary in size. They can vary in size and shape, but are the largest teeth in the mouth. They can vary in size and shape. Some of you must having the size, some is different. Some of you must be small size, or some of you must be having the big size. But in all the teeth, These molar teeth are the largest teeth in the mouth. Okay. Okay. Now, next, let us see about this premolar teeth. They are after the molar teeth. So, they are called as premolar teeth. Now, premolar teeth are the permanent teeth located between the molars in the back of your mouth and your canine teeth. See, here is the canine teeth and here are the molar teeth. So, between the molar teeth and canine teeth, you are having premolar teeth. Okay. So, they are used in crushing food. These premolar teeth are also used in crushing food. Okay. Now, next is canine teeth. Let us see about the canine teeth now. Canine teeth are also called as dog teeth or vampire teeth. Yes, they are relatively long. They are relatively long and pointed teeth. Yes, we use them to tear the food. We use them to tear the food. Both children and adults have 4 canines. Both children and adults are having 4 canines, 2 in the upper jaw and 2 in the lower jaw. So total 4 canine teeth are having. Okay. Yes. Then the next is the incisor teeth. The incisor teeth. See, the front teeth are known as incisor teeth. This type of teeth, which helps in cutting food. It helps in cutting food. Okay. So there are total 8 incisor teeth. There are total 8 incisor teeth. Okay. 2, 4 in the lower jaw and 4 in the upper jaw. So total 8 incisor teeth we are having. Okay. They have sharp edges. They have sharp edges that helps to bite the food. They helps to bite the food. Yes, here you can see the incisor teeth. These incisor teeth are down in the lower jaw and in the upper jaw. So total 8 incisor teeth we have. They help. See, here you can see these are the incisors, upper central incisors here and downward. See the shape. Okay. Now, they helps in to bite the food. Here you can see it is somebody is biting the apple. Yes, such as apple, we use incisor teeth to eat apple or any fruit or anything to cut it down. So we use incisor teeth. Then now wisdom teeth. Wisdom teeth, wisdom tooth. It means our molar teeth. They are molar teeth are also called as wisdom tooth. Yes. When we get this wisdom tooth, when we are 20 years old, about 20 years old. After 20 years old, we get wisdom teeth. They grow at the back of your gums. They grow at the back of your gums. Yes. So, most of the people have 4 wisdom teeth. Most of the people have 4 wisdom teeth. Yes. See here. These are the canine teeth. Central are the incisor teeth. See, these are the canine teeth. Yes, they are the pointed ones. Okay. Yes. See, like vampire teeth. These two are the vampire teeth. Now, here you can see the missing place. Here you can see the missing place. At that missing place, you get the wisdom teeth. you get the wisdom teeth. They are back of your gums and are the last teeth to come. They are the last teeth to come. Yes. So most people are having four wisdom teeth. Most people are having four wisdom teeth. Yes, when we get the wisdom teeth after 20 years of age. Yes, so when we get after 20 years of age wisdom teeth, so there are total altogether 32 teeth. 32 teeth. Yes, an adult person is having total 32 teeth. 16 teeth up in the upper jaw and 16 teeth in the lower jaw. So total we are having 32 teeth. Okay. When you are baby and up to the age of 3 years, you are getting total 20 teeth. And when you grow up to the age of after 20 years, you get the wisdom teeth. So the total counts of the teeth are 32 teeth. Okay. Yes. See. See the position again of the teeth. Backwards, they are the molar teeth. Then these are the premolar teeth. Then canine teeth and incisor teeth. Okay. Yes. So students, we should take proper care of our teeth. We should take proper care of our teeth. We should rinse our mouth with water. We should rinse our mouth with water after every meal. After every meal, we should rinse our water. We should brush our teeth regularly and at least twice a day. Yes, once in the morning and once in the night before going to bed. Okay, we should brush our teeth with toothpaste. Now, see if student, there is a hole in a tooth or that is known as cavity. Yes, here you can see the teeth has been destroyed here. See, this is known as cavity. So we should go to the dentist. We should go to the dentist for proper treatment. We should go to the dentist for proper treatment of our teeth. Yes, if your teeth are paining you, if you have a toothache, anything problem is there, you should go to the dentist. Okay. Yes, after we should clean our teeth regularly. So students, I hope you have understood about our teeth. They are also important parts of our body. Yes, they are also important parts of our body. If you don't have teeth, we cannot eat properly. Then you cannot speak properly. You cannot eat the hard things. Yes, so our teeth are also important part of our body. We should take proper care of teeth. Okay. So students, I hope you have understood about the journey of the teeth and types of the teeth. Okay. Now tell me how many types of the teeth you have seen now. How many types of the teeth you have seen? Yes, four types. Okay. Tell me which teeth are the back at the last back side. What is the name of that teeth? Very good. No Atharva. It is wrong, beta. Sarthak, Parvati, Ajna, Harshali. Right. Krutark. Yes. Okay. Wisdom teeth is also right and molar teeth is also right. Okay. Yes, at the back side we are getting molar teeth or wisdom teeth. Yes. Then tell me, after molar teeth, which teeth are there? Name of the teeth after molar teeth. Yes, premolar. Very good, Bhavya. Premolar. Yes. After molar, there is premolar teeth. Yes. Then after premolar, which teeth are there? After premolar, yes, canine teeth. Very good. Canine teeth. After premolar, there are canine teeth. Yes. What is the another name for canine teeth? What is the another name for canine teeth? Another name for canine, yes, vampire teeth or dog teeth. Okay. Why they are known as dog teeth or vampire teeth? Because they are relatively long. They are pointed teeth than other teeth. Yes. 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 Then in front, which teeth you are having? In front, which teeth you all are having? Yes, very good, all of you. Incisor teeth. Yes, in front we are having incisor teeth. What is the use of incisor teeth? What is the use of incisor teeth? To cut down the food. Yes, to cut down the food. Very good. Yes. Okay. Now, tell me, up to Krutarth, tell me beta, up to the age of 3 years, how many teeth you are having? A baby is having? Krutarth, I have unmuted you. Tell me.
20 teeth.
Very good. 20 teeth. Very good, Krutarth. Okay. Now, tell me, okay. Ajna, tell me, an adult person, how many teeth they are having? An adult person. Ajna Pabrekar, I have unmuted you. Okay. Tell me, an adult person is having how many teeth? Yes, Parvati, very good. 32 teeth you all are having. Okay, an adult person is having 32 teeth. Yes, very good, all of you. Okay, now tell me, now tell me, if there is a cavity, in your mouth, so what you will do? Yes, if there is a cavity in your mouth, then what you will do? Yes, yes, we will go to dentist. Very good, all of you. We will go to dentist. Yes. Okay. Now tell me, how many canine teeth you all are having? How many canine teeth you all are having? How many canine teeth you all are having? Yes. Four canine teeth you all are having. Okay. Yes. Now tell me, when you get wisdom teeth, at what age you get wisdom teeth? At what age you get wisdom teeth? Yes, after 20 years. Okay, after 20 years you get wisdom teeth. Yes. Now tell me, yes, after 20 years you are getting wisdom teeth. Yes. Now what is called as the first teeth set of teeth? What is called as the first set of teeth? What is called as the first set of teeth? Very good. Yes. Milk teeth. Very good. Milk teeth. Very, very good. Okay. Now tell me the type of teeth which helps in grinding food. Which teeth helps in grinding food? Which teeth helps in grinding food? Yes. Yes. Molar teeth. Very good. Those have written molar teeth. Right. Molar teeth helps in grinding food. And which teeth helps in cutting food? Which teeth helps in cutting food? Which teeth helps in cutting food? Yes, yes. Incisor teeth. Incisor teeth. Yes, yes. Now, what is, if there is a hole in your tooth, what it is called? If there is a hole in your tooth, what it is called? Yes, all of you right. It is cavity. It is cavity. Yes. Now tell me how many we have, how many wisdom teeth we have? How many wisdom teeth we have? Four. Very good. And how many canine teeth? That also four. Yes. Okay. At what age? At what age between uh, what ages your teeth fallen down? Yes, yes. When you are 7 to 12 years. When you are 7 to 12 years or 6 to 12 years, your milk teeth start falling. Your milk teeth start falling. Yes, yes. Very good. So all of you, I hope you have understood this topic. Next time we will continue with this lesson only. Okay. Now your exams are there from Monday. So all of you do well. All the best, all of you. Okay. Bye bye, all of you. Take care.
Good evening, teacher.
Yes, all of you leave the class.
Okay.